Hello there. Hey, I just wanted to share with you this quick exercise I did. Uh, I'm I'm doing this exercise to test a couple of things. So right now I'm simulating. I'm going to start by describing the process. I'm simulating a process where we have a box being fed to this elevator. This elevator, it does have an RFID reader to read a tag on the box. So each box has a serial number attached to it. Then we feed these different parts. We got three different parts. This is the raw material. Every feeder has another has a scanner, which basically reads the serial number of the material itself being loaded to the box. So we have 10 different configurations for the models, and these models are run mixed. These are not run like in batches, but they just go. It could go number one, and then number seven, and then number whatever, and each model has a different combination of raw materials that are fed to it. Uh, okay, so after they finish, you can see here, it comes down here. Okay, it goes out. And the other part that I got there is we got this tag that we are basically setting up at the end of the cycle, so that whenever the cycle finishes, this one is monitored by Ignition, the SCADA system. So whenever this tag is set, Ignition knows that there is data available. So it comes and picks the data from this UDT, the end of cycle report. It takes all that data and saves it to a database. Uh, what I'm using right now on Ignition, it's a transaction group. So that I set up a transaction group here that basically monitors for this one and records the data every time. And a neat feature that this allows me to do is to also like do handshaking. So basically, every time that I got this flag set, I will see it, I will record the data, and then I will clear this bit again so that the process can continue and the PLC clears all of its data at the end of the cycle. So let me show you. I want to show you the okay. I want to show you. This is this is the live screen. So right now we are seeing like okay, we're on serial number 6528. As soon as this one finishes, it should uh, take the next serial number. For some reason, this software, the simulator, it just gives me the serial numbers in order. So it looks like this is just a counter, but it's actually a serial number that we're reading from the RFID. Okay, so the part went out, and this gets updated here. Record, the new record came in, and we are also using that data to, create some basic stats like the model, the counts by model. Like remember, I mentioned that we got 10 different models. So these are the counts by model. Also, we're counting parts per hour. Uh, right now, I have 17. Yeah, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 17. I was just testing still here at this time. Uh, then I started running the machine to gather some data, and here's where we are so far. And this is the how many parts per hour. This is every single hour how many, and this is the accumulated per hour. This is the accumulated counts per hour. And these are the last few records here. Ah, I got I gotta fix this, but anyway, I just need to move that one. Here you can change like, okay, if you want to see more or less of this, you can you can you can see, I don't know how many you want, okay, or just like 10, or okay, yeah, that's about it. So this is my database here. My database is it's an SQL database where I'm recording all the data. As you can see, let me show you. This is my group. So this one is creating uh, this this one is creating a table with the same name. Basically, it's creating the my group table with all these records. And I think that's all I wanted to share for now. Uh, thank you. Thank you. Have a good one.